When it comes to issues of a changing climate, I think we're faced with a wide variety of evidence today that things are changing. It's really remarkable when you get close to the source, how much change is really happening to the Earth and therefore to society.
According to the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is causing widespread disruption in every region of the world. Human-caused climate change has contributed to the planet's warming above pre-industrial levels. Greenhouse gases already in the atmosphere are making significant climate impacts, affecting agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and aquaculture. In the next decade, global warming will jeopardize food security and drive up to 132 million more people into extreme poverty. It's clear that climate change endangers the well-being of people and the planet. Delayed action risks triggering impacts of climate change so catastrophic that our world will become unrecognizable. At the same time, demand for digital services is increasing in business and our daily lives. From 2019 to 2022, global internet traffic doubled, and that requires more energy. Energy-related CO2 emissions grew to 36.8 gigatons in 2022, a record high.
We're all seeing an increase in our digital demand, from streaming content to video conferences. The amount of data that we all consume on a daily basis is going up. And it takes energy to move that data around the world at amazing speeds. So how do we balance this growth in digital demand with the need to make sure we have low-carbon energy solutions in the future?
Technology is essential to everyday life. It drives the economy, health, communications, safety, security. Our economic development are all housed in data centers. So even as we make that cloud more accessible, we have to strive to reduce its environmental impact.